What are poker outs in equity calculators? Imagine you're sitting at the poker table and you see a potential way to turn your hand into a winner. You start wondering, what cards could help you? That's where poker outs come into play. Outs are the cards still left in the deck that can improve your hand to a likely winning one. When you use equity calculators, outs are the key to figuring out your chances of winning the pot. These tools look at your current hand and the community cards to estimate your probability of hitting one of those outs. For example, if you have a flush draw on the flop, you might have 9 outs. These are the remaining cards in the deck that will give you a flush. The equity calculator then uses this number to tell you how often you might hit that flush by the time the hand ends. It does this by applying a simple rule called the rule of 2 and 4. When 2 cards are left to be dealt, like on the turn and river, multiply your outs by 4. So, with 9 outs, your chance of hitting your flush by the end of the hand is roughly 36%. If only 1 card remains, just the river, multiply your outs by 2. 9 outs then give you about an 18% chance to improve on the river alone. But what if you have more than 9 outs? The simple rule gets less accurate. That's when more precise formulas come into play. These formulas consider the number of outs and adjust the estimate accordingly. For instance, if you have 21 outs, the calculation might show your chance of hitting one of those outs is around 71%. Equity calculators automate this process by running thousands of simulations. They analyze all possible future cards and opponent ranges to give you a clear percentage of your winning chances. Knowing your outs and how they translate into equity helps you make smarter decisions during a hand. Should you call, raise, or fold? These decisions depend on how likely you are to improve your hand. Using equity calculators for study and improvement can boost your understanding of how your outs affect your chances. They show you the real value of your draws, beyond just mental math. In short, poker outs are the cards that can turn your hand into a winner. Equity calculators take those outs and turn them into a percentage chance of winning the pot. This information guides your choices and helps you become a better player over time. Understanding outs and their impact on your equity is a fundamental part of managing your mindset, your game, and your growth as a poker player.